Alright, from here it's super simple. Well, I would say super, but it's actually pretty simple. So from here, you want to say wum, 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 wum. On the last one, before you put your foot down, you want to say prep with your left arm here, because you want to pull yourself forward. Yeah, so wum. And from here, I want to do a jump where I cross my legs like this. Yeah, so the left goes in front of my right. So again, the last one was wum, wum. Now I want to say pull, and then jump. Yeah, so my legs are here, then I'm doing jump. The arms are same. The right one goes to the front. From here, you just turn around, swing your arms with you, and then you can repeat the dance. Boom, boom, and so on. Alright, so let's go a bit back. So the last thing we did here was boom, 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 the double one. So before we put our foot down here, you want to say grab, pull, and get ready to jump. Cross your leg, so right in front of your body. And then you want to say turn around. And then you can continue the dance. Alright, so let's just repeat the last part again. So after we've done the double, you want to go grab, pull, jump, around, and then continue. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Alright guys, let's do the laid back shuffle dance from the tip to the top. I'm gonna do a quick recap and then we can take it slow. So 5, starting on 1, 6, 7, 8. We start jumping, double, and opposite, opposite, opposite. Last one from here, prep, double, and opposite, opposite, double. Here, grab, pull, cross, around, and then you can continue the dance. Alright, now let's go super slow. Starting again on 1, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're gonna say prep, jump, and jump, jump, and opposite, 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 opposite. So prep, double, here, other side, get ready for double, double, here, grab, pull, now jump, cross, around, continue. Alright, so we're going to try that again with counts. So starting on 1, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, prep, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, jump, 7, round, 8, 1. Okay, a bit slower. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, round 8, 1. Alright guys, let's try it one last time where we try to speed up the tempo just a lot. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Okay, so the ones that really want to learn the first move properly is instead of just jumping from side to side like this, you also need to do heel toe. Yeah, so you're doing, let's say the first one, you jump like that. Yeah, so notice here my left toes is pointing out here to the left. And this is sort of also doing the same, hook to the opposite side. So first move, out. And then you want to say, when you go prep, you want to take your left and say here, so the heel is going the other side. And then you want to turn it out again once you go down. Yeah, so I said up, out, in, up. And then I want to do it to the other side. Well, actually, now it's to the same side. Boom, whoop, whoop. And then I want to do it to the other side, whoop, whoop. Yeah, so basically I'm just doing whoop, 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 whoop. So just remember, it's almost like a seal toe, you're just doing it in the air. Whenever you do a jump, you say switch, 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 switch. Alright guys, that's it for this dance tutorial of how to do the laid back shuffle dance emote from the game Fortnite. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time.